Here we are at the day-use boat dock of Trillium Lake. You can see the gorgeous views of Mount Hood National Forest and ultimately Mount Hood, tallest mountain in the great state of Oregon, being framed by the beautiful Trillium Lake. Very smooth, high-quality day-use boat ramp. We've got a restroom kiosk straight ahead as the sun beams across our mountain Wonderland Zone, Mount Hood National Forest. Look at how beautiful this is. There's our main forest trail. And again, here is our boat ramp, boat launch, boat dock, and the absolutely incredible views of Mount Hood National Forest. Look at that. Here is the path to the pavilion. The community located restroom right here. And this is very well paved. We've got a roofed pavilion with some picnic tables up here on the left, kind of tucked into this old growth Hood National Forest Wonderland. And look at how beautiful this is. We'll come up and take a closer look. And got a bench, high quality bench, and ultimately our covered pavilion. And another bench on that side. Looks like 3 picnic tables. Looks like you got a path down to picnic table at the shoreline of Trillium Lake. Another picnic table over here, another bench over here. A lot of infrastructure. Let's look up at this fine A-frame style, rustic, log cabin style craftsmanship, which I am personally an aficionado of. Very beautiful, very high quality, very quintessential Mount Hood. And let's look up here. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm digging it. Pretty high quality pavilion. And let's continue to hike along. Got a series of picnic tables, day use sites over here on the left. These are not campsites. I've already walked the 57 campsites, and these are not 2 of them. You can see they have little barbecue stations, I like to call them. A couple rustic, well-forested picnic sites. A lot of infrastructure here at Trillium Lake. And here we've got another picnic table. This one is not shaded, but is prime location. Let's come down here to Shoreline. If you are a fan of old growth forests, the Trillium Lake area is pretty much your dream destination. It's one of the most shaded old growth forest ecological profile footprint zones that you're ever going to find. It's got a very gorgeous, ethereal, almost mystical quality to it. Old growth forest, very dense, creating a lot of shade and kind of a very rustic feeling in this area. I personally absolutely love it. I would say that the Trillium Lake area is quintessential Mount Hood National Forest. Here's our sign for Trillium Lake. And let's go take a look at this particular boat ramp launch. There's a couple different places you can launch a boat. There's the day use area. This is the edge of the campground zone. And you've got a well-paved boat ramp launch. We've got an ethereal misty fog coming off Timothy Lake, which I just can't get enough of, frankly. And look at this. Goes right into the water. Oh, this is gorgeous. Come over here and you're starting to get the silhouette of a beautiful